I am Inma Peral. I chose science early because I wanted to understand everything. Stars, relativity, human evolution, and I chose physics. I am a research facilitator and life and career coach at the University of Luxembourg. I never had a master plan. I have simply followed my heart and my curiosity. I have had lots of fun working in different fields of research. Heart, luck, and life finally took me to Luxembourg. I switched to research management because I did not want to move my kids again. Honestly, I entered this new challenge with mixed feelings. I never stopped being a scientist at heart. Now I do science management, so I am the bridge between researchers and lawyers, financial people, or the public. I help them to reach their full potential. I facilitate research careers, and I assist, support, and empower others, which I love. In my free time, I study. I'm also passionate about community building and life and career coaching, and I enjoy campus life. While I was a researcher in the US and discovered the joy of working, thinking, and relaxing in coffee shops. The glass ceiling exists. I have felt it. For a woman, it can be harder to progress in any job. The good news is that we can break this glass ceiling through training and mentoring. Anyone that wants to dive in science, experience it. You need to feel it. Be brave and curious. The work culture is fundamentally male-oriented, but we can learn to play the game and get good at it. Even if it's not natural for you, you can learn.